Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Mihiki portable washing machine and the Grinchat portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The Mihiki portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads like underwear and baby clothes. In comparison, the Grinchat portable washing machine offers a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing for slightly bigger loads. This difference can be crucial for users who need to wash more items at once. One of the standout features of the Mihiki model is its drain function, which allows for easier water removal after washing. On the other hand, the Grinchat model lacks this feature, which may require users to manually remove water after each wash. This can affect convenience, especially for those who prioritize ease of use. When it comes to pricing, the Mihiki portable washing machine is priced at $59.99, making it a more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the Grinchat model is available for $69.99. While the Grinchat offers a larger capacity, the price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and needs. In conclusion, both the Mihiki and Grinchat portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Mihiki offers a lower price and a drain function, while the Grinchat provides a larger capacity. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.